In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the February natural gas contract, which spiked up over 4%. That's a pretty big spike. Then settled in near the lower end of its range, but still positive on the day. The high today, 454. That leaves us up about 4.07% on the high, but the low, 293, had us down 0.78%. And as we finish the day, we're still up about 0.84%. So again, big spike, still finishing positive on the day despite pulling back. Now on a weekly basis, it's a different story. After reaching the highest level this week since the week of July 22nd, February natural gas is finishing down 1.8%, and it's the second down week in the last 4. So in the longer term, we're showing some short to medium term weakness. Now, overall, the weather demand is going to keep that demand very light nationally, as we expect through January 2nd, and we won't receive another EIA report for natural gas until January 3rd. But for the next few days, nearly all of the U.S. will be warmer than normal, with highs in the 30 to 50 degree range in the northern U.S. and then the 50 degree to the mid 70 degree range for the southern U.S., even as numerous systems bring rain and sometimes rain and snow mixed to portions of the U.S. Once those pass through, it's not going to change the temperatures much. So this will keep demand light to very light through at least around January 2nd, unless, of course, it changes dramatically. Now, today we did have an EIA storage report, and we printed a draw of 93 billion cubic feet in natural gas, larger than market expectations of about 90 billion cubic feet, but much smaller than that 5-year average draw for this time of year of 127 billion cubic feet. The relatively small draw increased surpluses to 166 billion cubic feet and decreased supplies from 3,622 billion cubic feet to 3,529 billion cubic feet.